Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today let me show you this recliner and lifter that this brand sent to me for this video. We're here sitting, and I have to say that it's super comfortable. When say we are sitting, it's right here. Penny, she's just like having the good time right here on the super comfortable recliner. It is a lifter. It is also a recliner, so this is ideal for elderly people because this one's going to lift it kind of like in diagonal position, so it's going to be a really good way of help them to actually sit. I'll show that one to you in a little bit. But the other good thing is that this one comes with heater, with a massager, with 8 different vibration points, and everything is managed right here with this remote controller. So that is kind of like really good. It comes with a really long cable, so you don't have to put this one like close to the wall or something like that. And size-wise, this is about 38 inches wide, 47 actually inches tall. Of course, the kind of like size are going to change depending if you're going to put it in like a full recliner, or if you're going to lift it, or if you're going to kind of like recline the whole thing. But it's about like 47 by 37, and it supports 450 pounds. Let me show it to you in a closer look. Okay, check this out. And she seems to have having a really good time, so I'm just gonna let her stay over there. This one, it is really well padded. It has a super big pad both right here on your shoulders and the headrest. But the other important thing is it has this one right here, which is another extra support. Talking about the armrest, these are gonna be extra padded. You can see how big these ones are, and also right here is going to be more firm, you know, just to support those 450 pounds. So it's going to be a little bit more firm over here. By the way, it comes with not 1 but 2 right here cup holders, as well as pockets on the sides. This one comes with pockets on the sides and 2 cup holders that they're kind of like extensible, as you can see. So that is really good, just to put 2 drinks, and of course the side pockets as well. And right here you're gonna find the 2 controllers, one for the lifter and recliner, and the other one for the heater and massager. Okay, but now check this out. I'm gonna show you the lifter first, which is gonna be, as you can see, check this out, check how much this one is lifting. So that's going to be really good just to help that person to sit. Because this one is going to put it kind of like in a 40, I want to say like 30 something, 40 degrees position. So that's going to be the best way for them to sit. And once they're sit, they're going to actually use the recliner. You can see how far this one goes. That is fantastic. It is really good, again, for the elderly people. So as I was just telling you before, once that the person is actually sitting just like this, effortless, the only thing that we'll have to do, or you will have to do, is just doing this, and this one is going to be all the way to the other side. So just to summarize one more time before I show you the massager and the heater, this one supports 450 pounds. It is about 37 by 47 inches. It is really big, really well padded, and it also comes with not 1 but 2 of the cup holders, as well as the massagers. And this is where things are just turning perfect. You're gonna see how far this one goes in terms of the recliner. And by the way, I'm pressing all the way. This is just not one-time press. I'm pressing all the way. Check this out. This is just fantastic. And this is going to be your massager. We're going to actually turn it on and off. You can see that you have the intensity both on the heater and the vibration points. And of course, if you want to do it just your shoulders, your neck, your legs, or something like that, or just leave it to be all around. Pretty neat vibration. I like it. With the heater, with the recliner, and just such a big and comfortable sofa. I do like this one. I vouch for this one, and I do recommend. Time to chill. See you soon.